Rail and road transportation services are affected in certain parts of the country. Some markets may also remain closed today as farmer unions who've been protesting against the three agricultural laws have called for a complete Bharat Bandh. It's 120 days of their protest on Delhi's borders. The Samyukt Kisan Morcha had called the nationwide shutdown from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Remember, farmers have been sitting on Delhi's borders at Shinghu, Ghazipur and Tikri for the last 4 months now. There you can see visuals coming in from Ambala, where some protesters have blocked the railway track. Security is also in place. In fact, the major impact of the Bandh is expected to be felt in Haryana and in Punjab, where there is a major support for the farmers' agitation. As far as shops, etc. go, the traders union has said that while it supports the farmers' protest, it is not. It's not going to be observing a Bharat Bandh today. That's what one of the big trade unions have said. Well, let's go across to Akshay now for more. And Akshay, give us more details of so far the reports coming in of action during this Bharat Bandh. There's some road and rail traffic that is blocked.
Well, yes, Gargi, there is certain effect as far as the Bharat Bandh is concerned, but the most effect is concentrated in states like Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, where the farmers' agitation has been the fiercest. So far, in the national capital, there is not much effect of the Bharat Bandh because the traffic is as usual, markets are opening. In fact, a lot of traders yesterday gave out a statement that though they sympathize with the cause of farmers and they support them, but they will not be taking part in the Bharat Bandh and shutting off their shops. The farm union leader, Dr. Darshan Pal, who is one of the face of the farmers' agitation, said that, rather he appealed to the people that one day's Bharat Bandh is going to prove much effect as far as their demand is concerned, their agitation is concerned, and people must support the cause of the farmers by observing the Bharat Bandh, be it the traders or other people as well. As far as the blockade of national highways are concerned, later during the day, it is expected that there will be certain highways that will be blocked in different parts of the country. As far as the protest sites are concerned, the alternative routes that were there earlier available to the people to enter into the national capital or to get out of it are now being closed by the farmers. The farmers have now, in fact, shut the other road at the Ghazipur border, which was earlier open for the commuters. However, with the barricading, the traffic was less, but now it has again been completely sealed by the farmers till 6 p.m. today. Later during the day, it is also expected to see that further action will be taking place because at several areas, reports are coming in that police has also been deployed, other security agencies have been deployed to stop or rather appeal the farmers to not block the national highways as it is going to impact the traffic there. But it remains to be seen that how effective will be the Bharat Bandh, and that only can be understood by looking at the activities of the entire day.
Right, Akshay, thanks so much for that. And let's go across to Saurabh Shukla, who joins us from the Ghazipur border area, which has been one of the big protest centers. Saurabh, tell us what's happening.
Gargi, right now I'll take you to the pictures where these protesting farmers who are here for the last 4 months, they are protesting and they are singing their traditional song and dancing. And you can see these farmers are from Haryana and Western Uttar Pradesh, and they are singing traditional song of Holi and they are farming. Gargi, this is NH9, that is the flyover of NH9. It was open till the morning, but today at 6 a.m. these farmers have blocked it, and now police has also barricaded. And you can see these farmers here they are saying that people are saying that their farm protest is over, it is weak. They are saying we are getting stronger with every day. Today we have completed 4 months. आप कहाँ से आए हैं?
मैं यूपी उत्तर प्रदेश अलीगढ़ से आया हूँ। और मुझे
ये कौन सा गाना गा रहे हैं आप लोग? ये क्या परंपरागत गाना है?
ये हमारे जो किसानों का जो होली का जो त्योहार है, यहाँ होली बनाने के लिए किसान आया है। क्यों? अब इस सरकार को दिखाना चाहते हैं कि ये दिल्ली गाजीपुर बॉर्डर पर होली कैसे बनाई जाती है। और
you can see, Gargi, very good picture. You can see these farmers are from Western Uttar Pradesh and you can see farmers from Punjab as well joining them. ये बताइए कि आज बंद है, कितने बजे तक बंद रखेंगे आप लोग?
ये अभी शुरू हुआ है, शाम को 6 बजे तक ये चलेगा
6 बजे तक चलेगा।
और ये सरकार बहरी हो चुकी है और ये सरकार हमारी नहीं मान रही।
आपका नाम क्या है?
होशियार सिंह,
होशियार सिंह जी, कहाँ से हैं आप?
प्रदेश प्रचार मंत्री, भारतीय किसान यूनियन, यूपी, जिला बिजनौर
आप
से।
किसान यूनियन से हैं।
जी।
ये बताइए कि आज आप लोगों ने बंद किया है, कितनी बजे तक ये लोग पूरा जो NH9 है बंद रखेंगे आप लोग?
ये सुबह 6 बजे से शाम 6 बजे तक का संयुक्त मोर्चे का जो आदेश है उसी के तहत हम लोग रोड जाम किए हैं।
अच्छा, तो अब 4 महीने हो गए, लगभग 300 किसानों की मौत भी हुई है। आप लोगों के जोश में क्या कोई कमी आई है या फिर अभी भी आप लोग इरादा मजबूत है आप लोगों का?
नहीं, इरादा तो पहले से और ज्यादा मजबूत हुआ है, मगर मोदी जी कहते थे कि किसानों के बीच 1 फोन की दूरी है और उसके लिए 2 महीने से ज्यादा वक्त हो गया। तो क्या मोदी जी अपना फोन रख के ही भूल गए? जो किसानों का 1 कॉल की दूरी बताते थे, मगर 2 महीने से कोई ना किसानों से बात हुई, ना कोई कॉल आया, ना प्रस्ताव आया मीटिंग का।
आपको लगता है कि सरकार बातचीत की इच्छुक नहीं है, दिखाने के लिए कहते हैं कि एक कॉल है?
हाँ, लग तो ऐसा ही रहा।
You heard this farmer, a senior farmer from Western Uttar Pradesh. Gargi, one thing I would like to highlight here. These farmers at Singhu border, Tikri border and at Gazipur border, absolutely they are sitting. Their numbers are also swelling in. And now more farmers are coming here to support this Bharat Bandh and to celebrate Holi in the Gazipur border and Tikri border and Singhu border. And now they are saying that though now government is focusing on West Bengal, in Kerala and in Assam, but they are not worried about the farmers. That is why they are saying that though, and they are very angry with media persons also. They are saying that you are returning after a few weeks, though we have been covering them. They are saying that the media is not showing their protest. That is why government is trying to send a signal that their protest has weakened. But you can see these pictures, their josh and their spirit is high. They are saying that they are not going to go anywhere. They have celebrated New Year, Christmas here, and they are going to celebrate Holi here, and they are going to keep this NH9 blocked till 6 p.m. in the evening. Gargi.